channel Easy Drawing with Mom, and today we are going to draw with colored pencils. I will use these ones and you can use yours. No matter how many of pencils you have, it's enough for today's lesson. The topic of today's lesson is one very funny Patrick Star. Patrick Star from the cartoon SpongeBob SquarePants. I'm sure all of us know this Patrick, and it's simply 5-pointed star. Okay, let's start. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell so you do not miss new lessons. And now, Patrick. As I told you, it's simply 5-pointed star. So let's start from the head. I will press a bit hard so you can see the line. Draw like this. You see, it's a bit fat star. Patrick with a big tummy. It's gonna be like this. Okay. Big tummy. You see? Actually, the shape of pear for now. Here, 2 legs, and here 2 arms. Now I will describe everything. Okay, this is the head of our Patrick. Then we draw 2 big eyes. Very big eyes. And 2 black ones. Brows. And the tummy. Huge tummy. He really likes to eat. A shape like this for arm, and another one. I will press a bit hard so you can see the line, but you can draw a bit light, and you can use this one to remove lines that you no need. Okay. And another leg. Now we need to draw the mouth of our Patrick. He is always so smiley, yeah? Draw like this. And the tongue. Pink tongue. Okay, belly button. And of course, he is naked now, but we need to draw some clothes. And Our Patrick likes to wear these shirts. Beach shirts with flower pattern. Let's draw these shirts. Okay. Write me in comments if you like to draw SpongeBob or Mr. Krabs or maybe another personage. Let's remove extra lines. I think it's almost ready. And we can color it. I hope you like coloring as I do. I really like it. I want to add some. Yeah. Okay. What color our Patrick? You know? Sure you know. He is pink star. So we need to choose the pink color. Which one? Let's see what pink colors I have. And we will choose which one our Patrick. What color? This one? Maybe. Or this one? Maybe. Oh, it's too pink. It's too red. Okay, let's try this one. Yeah, it's more like oh, I want to use a pencil sharpener. Okay. It's more like this, right? Our Patrick is so funny. And a bit silly, I think. Tell me about your favorite cartoons and what would you like to learn how to draw? And I will prepare the lessons for you. Okay. I can add some brighter color near the edge. Now I need the dark brown or like this red violet for to draw inside of the mouth of our Patrick. I want to use black one for eyes and brows and contouring the eyes. Yeah, light pink for the tongue and again some contour. Okay, and belly button. What color are his shirts? Light green, I suppose. Yeah, light green like this, or this, or this. Let's choose. I think more like these two. And we forgot to draw the pattern. It's like flower, like flower, violet flower. Okay, let's work with bright green. I would like to add some yellow to make the shirts look more bright. Okay, and violet flowers like this or this. I think like this. Okay guys, now you can make your illustration more beautiful if you add some contouring to it. I will show you. Just add some black contour. Oh, not everywhere. Eyes, the mouth, the shape of shirts, like this. Okay. Oh. I think it's done. How do you like? our Patrick star. So cute boy. Thank you for watching, and I will be waiting for you on my next lessons. See you!